I got a question for you. Have you ever wanted to make your IPTV business legal? Like, have you ever wondered to yourself, I do want to sell it, but it's kind of on the gray area. I don't want to get in trouble, but this is the only thing I know how to do. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys another way to sell without being illegal. You can sell whatever you want to do. I just want to give you guys another way of thinking and another idea that might be helpful to some of you watching right now. Let's go step by step and let me show you how to create a real legit business. So as you guys can see right here, we are on Amazon.com, okay? And now this is the first step to creating an official business, and it's not as hard as you think. I'm gonna walk you step by step through it, okay? So the first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna go on Amazon, and as you can see, we're in the bestseller section right here, okay? Now, I know you guys out there wanna sell IPTV, so we're gonna get something close to it, all right? So as we scroll down here on the left-hand side, as you can see, we wanna go to electronics, okay? Now, again, you can try to sell anything you want on Amazon, all right? But, just for the sake of those who don't want to venture out too far from what you're currently selling in the entertainment niche, we're just going to stick to the electronics right now. Now, as you guys can see, we have all of these categories on the left-hand side, but what we're going to do for you, we're just going to stick to right here, what's in front of our face. Now, once we click the Amazon Fire Stick, as you guys can see, it brings us on this Amazon page that somebody is selling a Fire Stick, right? No problem. Now, I'm going to show you guys what exactly to do in order to create a legit business in like less than 10 minutes, all right? Let's do this. So first things first, what we're going to do here is we're just going to go ahead and save these images, okay? So we're just going to go ahead and save this. Now, if it comes up like this, web page complete, that's not what we want. So we want to go ahead and click it, and then we want to go ahead and save image. And what we want to see is a JPG. You guys can see JPG. We want to see a JPG at the end, and then we're just going to go ahead and save that. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to go over here. We're going to do the same thing for every single photo here. As of right now, what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and switch over to the brand new website that you will be able to customize and receive and do whatever you want and sell whatever product you want. And I'm going to show you how simple it is to create a legit business. We're going to go ahead and we're going to delete that. All right. And then we're going to put up a logo, any logo that you guys want to put. All right. So we'll go ahead. We'll skip that for now. Then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to this headline right here, okay? We're going to right click this headline, and we're going to come over here and we're going to copy this headline right here. Okay, great. Now that we have the title, we can go ahead and put a video up just so the people can see exactly what they're going to be receiving. Okay, great. Now that I have the YouTube video inside already, next thing we're going to do is keep on going down the page and adding in information so we can get this looking legit. I'm going to come in here, press this settings, come over here and paste that review in just like that. Everything on Amazon is already done for us. So all we have to do is come on Amazon and copy and paste what's already written. So I'll come over here, I'll copy that just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna copy the second one just like that. Now just imagine I've finished the whole thing out, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna press save. Again, this is right here where you guys can put your logo. Same thing at the top where you guys can put your logo. I'll go ahead and slap a logo up there. My first logo at the top is done. Let me do the second logo. Okay, the second logo is in place and it looks fantastic, right? And now the page is looking a little boring in the background. So what we'll do is we'll add a nice background to it. What I'm doing right now is I'm on canva.com. And if you guys want to try Canva, I'll leave the link in the description. But what I'm here to do is I'm here to get a background. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in Canva. I'm gonna go to the elements right here, and I want to find a family watching TV. Okay, once I type that in, I want to see photos, and I want to look for a nice little background back here that I can put in the background of my website. So as you guys can see, we have all of these family photos here, and I want to watch something that's that looks pretty good. So something like this looks fine. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna stretch it all the way out. I'm gonna grab this this gray box right here. As you can see, I'm gonna take this box, I'm gonna put it here, and I'm gonna stretch it all the way out. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this box white, and I'm gonna come here, right, where it says transparency, and I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. And look at that. As you guys can see, it's back here. You see the family back here. It's nice and white. I didn't need it too dark because you wouldn't be able to see the letters right here that we added, right? And again, I don't want it distracting from the front. Now we're going to need to fill this out. This is the part that they're going to actually be purchasing the product, right? So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to fill that out. Okay, so great. So we went ahead and we named our product. We don't want it to turn into a subscription, even though we could, or a payment plan, even though we could. We just want to do a one-time payment, and the one-time payment was we're going to mark this up for $29.95, and we're going ahead and press create product. All right, so as you can see, we got Amazon Fire Stick as the product. We can go ahead and press that check mark box. We can come down here and we can press save. Now that everything is saved, we can go ahead and check out our website. We can press exit Visual Builder. And now look at this, guys. Look at this. So we literally created a legit business in less than 10 minutes. And all we did was come over to Amazon, just like this, right? Came right to Amazon. And as you guys can see, Amazon is selling it for $19.99, and we went ahead and started selling ours for $29.95, right? Now that's a $10 bump, and now you might be thinking, well, why would people pay us $10 more when they can just go on Amazon? Well, that's because you have to think outside the box a little bit, right? What can we give that Amazon is not giving? Maybe we can show these people a step-by-step tutorial, a step-by-step video of us connecting the Fire Stick, setting it up on our TV so people can see how to do it step by step instead of figuring out themselves. So as you guys can see, we have the video. We can press the video and it's going to play.
Hello, back in the spring, as you probably remember, I suddenly I could find that TV stick.
Look at that.
Everything you could possibly want. Demand 5, Netflix, there, Amazon Prime. It's almost perfect.
You see that? So as you guys can see right here, we have a perfect Amazon Fire Stick video that's going with our site. We have a nice background showing a family that's loving watching TV. We have the easy checkout. As you guys can see, we have enjoy 6 months of MGM on us, receive 6 months subscription with any purchase of a Fire Stick TV. We have a testimonial right here. We have a description. TV is just the beginning, and all of these different things that you get inside of this Amazon Fire Stick purchase when they buy from us. And also, this is so simple that no customer has to go to another checkout. They don't have to flip through page 2 or page 3. As you guys can see, everything is done right here on the very first page. You guys don't have to be stuck in thinking that, you know, this is what I sell IPTV. This is the only thing I know how to sell. This is what's everybody's buying. You know, you can get out, right? You don't have to be one of those that actually get shut down in order to make your business work. You can actually transition right now by watching this video and creating a business, as I showed you, in less than 10 minutes. And it's an official, legit business, right? You can actually sell Amazon Fire Stick, sell Android boxes, sell Android remotes. You can really sell legit things to actually make money online instead of doing it the gray area way. It's way less competition here. Everybody don't have the same site. You don't got to worry about hiding your site. You will get approved by Stripe. You get approved by PayPal, right? As an affiliate of Amazon. So, you know, it's your possibilities open up rather than you trying to duck and hide and worry about your payments getting taken online. I'm trying to show you guys an exit strategy so you can actually transition right now in this video and start making legit money online, okay? And I just showed you guys how to do that real simple. Now, again, if you guys want to be able to have this website to be able to set up, as I just showed you guys, in a matter of minutes, right? Create a whole entire business in a matter of minutes, then you can go ahead and click the link in the description. You guys can go ahead and get this very same template that I have already created. Hell, if you guys click the link in the description right now, I will give you the Amazon site that I have just set up. Therefore, all you guys got to do is come in here and change your logo right at the top and change your logo at the bottom, and you're done, right? You literally would have a business in like 5 minutes. You guys can see that this is the second step, right, to our beginning business. Okay, so I just want to show you guys something that's super duper cool. I'm gonna fill this entire page in, and this is the very next page. Okay, that's why it's called a two-step form. As you guys can see right here, it says step 1, shipping, where to ship. Once they put all the information in and where we want them to where they want us to ship the Fire Stick to, then they're going to come right over here to this page right here where it says in blue right here, thank you, here is your next step. Step number 2, would you like to get this Star Wars Mandalorian remote cover as well? Okay, and as you can see, we got the Mandalorian remote cover right here. It tells all the information about the Mandalorian cover. You can see our logo right here. You can see a testimonial, and it's the same video as before. We want everything the same. We just want them to see what we want them to buy now, which is this Mandalorian cover. And they can go ahead, and as you can see right here, it says Amazon Fire Stick. They have already purchased the Fire Stick. So what's the next step is? The next step, they can click this button right here, this little box right here. It's $24.95. We can add that to it, and we can say, yes, add this to my order. Now back on Amazon, as you can see, it's selling for $19.99. I went ahead and I copied the image. I went ahead and I copied the title, and I went ahead and I placed it right in here. Okay, as you can see, Star Wars Mandalorian. And since it's selling for $19.95, we want to make some sort of a profit, right? So a $5 profit. So I went ahead and I upped it for $24.95. Okay, so not only did they buy the Amazon Fire Stick, but they went ahead and they bought the cover too. And what the good news is for you is that Stripe is going to see this. They're going to love you for it, and you have a legit business, right, in less than 10 minutes. So do you think you can do this? Do you believe that you can have a legit business? Mind you, this is just an example. You can sell whatever you want to sell. I just wanted to show you another path besides trying to sell possibly illegal IPTV, right, or possibly getting sued, or whatever the case may be. There's just some people out there that just want another way, and this hopefully is another way for you. So if you like this video, go ahead, comment down below, tell me that you liked it. If you're looking for this done for you site already, you can go ahead and click the link in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video.